Hi everybody, it's me, English either facilitator and English teacher Mr.Sitrom Tharu speaking right now. I would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's why you will get the new videos and notifications in the days to come. So at the very first day of my class, I would like to talk about English language, English grammar as well as its importance. So keep watching till the end. Dear students, at this time we are going to discuss about the following contents. First one is the division of countries on the basis of the use of English. Under this there are some subheadings: inner circle countries, outer circle countries, expanding circle countries. Second one is English grammar. Third one is the importance of English. Now, let's discuss about the English language. As we all know, English is a means of communication which is globally spoken. Due to globalization, the demand of English is unavoidable and inevitable. So my dear students, I have one question here. Why are USA, Australia, UK, New Zealand and Canada taken as inner circle countries? Right, USA, Australia, UK, New Zealand and Canada are inner circle countries where English is the first language or dominant language or primary language. Similarly, why are India, Nigeria, Singapore and Pakistan countries taken as outer circle countries? Undoubtedly, yes. The countries like India, Nigeria, Philippines, Singapore, Pakistan, etc. are outer circle countries in which English is the second language. My dear students, likewise, why are China, Nepal, Egypt and Korea considered as an expanding countries? Because English is taken as a foreign language in these countries. Likewise, we are going to talk about another topic, that is English grammar. Dear students, look at these sentences. She went to Kathmandu yesterday. In this sentence, there are two mistakes. First one is the word which is underlined with a red color, that is went. Another one is yesterday, which is underlined with a red color. So went and yesterday, they are mistaken. This sentence is grammatically wrong. The correct sentence is she will go to Kathmandu tomorrow. Second sentence, he eats water. The word in the sentence eats is wrong. This sentence is semantically wrong. The correct sentence is he drinks water. That's why learning grammar is crucial to make the sentences grammatically flawless and digestible. Grammar works as the medicine without any side effects. So, my dear students, grammar is the backbone of English which prescribes and describes the appropriate rules. Eventually, we are going to discuss about the importance or demand of English language. As we all know, this is the age of science and technology as well as English imperialism. Some of the importance and demand of English language are given as below. First one is to get job opportunities. Second one is to expand business. Third one is to make communication with the foreigners. Fourth one is to read English books. The knowledge of English is a must, compulsory. So last one is to understand the culture of English countries. Eventually, I would like to thank all of you for watching this video, managing your valuable time. I will come with the next video in next episode. Bye for now. Have a nice day. Thank you.